Welcome to 8 Quanta Library Content. Today we'll discuss how to add a new employee in NetSuite. Navigate to Lists, Employees, Employees, and then click on New to create a new employee record. Select the custom form you want to use for the new employee record from the drop-down menu. Forms and fields may vary depending on the differences between customer accounts. Enter the employee ID in the designated field to uniquely identify the employee in the system. Add the appropriate title for the employee to reflect their preferred salutation. Enter the employee's full name, including first name, middle name, and last name. Enter the employee's job title to specify their role within the organization. Select the employee's supervisor to indicate who they report to. Use the Notes field to add any additional information or remarks relevant to the employee's record. You can also upload an image of the employee for identification. Enter the employee's email address to ensure proper communication and contact. Enter the employee's phone number to provide a direct contact method. If you've already entered an address, you can use the Map Address feature to view its location on a map for quick reference. Select the appropriate subsidiary for the employee. You can also assign the employee to a specific department and class to help with organizational structure and reporting. Next, add the employee's address by filling in the relevant fields such as street, city, state, zip code, and country. Under the Human Resources tab, enter important information such as the Social Security number, SSN, job type, whether part-time or full-time, employee status, regular, part-time, or full-time. Enter a detailed job description for the employee, outlining their role, responsibilities, and any key tasks associated with their position. You can also add additional information such as employees' emergency contact, their educational attainments, their degrees, personal information, marital status, ethnicity and gender, and their rates. Select Time Approver for the employee, who will be responsible for reviewing and approving their time entries. Assign the appropriate access and role for the employee based on their job responsibilities, ensuring they have the necessary permissions to perform their tasks within the system. Once all required information has been entered and reviewed, click Save to create and store the employee record in the system. And that's how you add a new employee in NetSuite. Thank you for watching.